The Aprilia Tuono 457 has been officially teased ahead of its much-anticipated unveiling, showcasing its status as the street-naked variant of the impressive Aprilia RS 457. The teaser highlights several key features of the new Tuono. At the forefront is a striking new headlight design, featuring 3 LED units flanked by distinctive daytime running lights that embody the classic Aprilia Tuono aesthetic. Beneath the headlight, aerodynamic winglets are visible, mirroring the design elements found on the RS 457. While the RS sports full fairings, the Tuono opts for a semi-fairing, reminiscent of the Tuono 660. The rear of the bike retains the elegant tail section seen on the RS 457, complete with a winged LED tail light. In terms of ergonomics, the Tuono will offer a more comfortable riding position. Unlike the RS clip-on handlebars, the Tuono features a single-piece handlebar positioned higher for a more relaxed stance. The foot pegs are also expected to be set further forward, balancing sportiness with comfort for urban riding. Powering the Tuono is a 457cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. While the RS 457's engine delivers 46.9 brake horsepower and 43.5 Nm, the Tuono may be tuned for enhanced low and mid-range performance to better suit its street-focused design. Key components like the twin-spar aluminum frame, upside-down forks, monoshock, as well as the wheels, tires, and braking system, are expected to mirror those of the RS 457. The Tuono will likely feature a color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, alongside a suite of ride modes, traction control, and ABS, similar to its super sport counterpart. The official debut of the Aprilia Tuono 457 is anticipated at EICMA 2024, generating excitement among enthusiasts for what promises to be an exceptional addition to the naked bike segment.